eSmart, online training on smart skills by Max Academy for Excellence. Credentials of promoters. Over 2 lakh benefited. Inspired lakhs of people. Workshops for all ages. Since 1993, a trendsetter in India to organize World Records events, Limca Records events, National Level Memory Championships, Asian Level Memory Championship, Memory Fair, and Guinness Record Breaking Event. National Memory Championships 1999 and 2000. World's biggest event for mind sport till date. Memory Asiad 2001. International participants of Memory Asiad. India's only organization with 15 Limca and World Records. Multiple memory feat, 16 memory disciplines simultaneously. Limca Book of Records recognized Dr. Reddy's unique record of the fastest handwriting change, just 9.44 minutes. Mr. Marish, Max Academy trainee, demonstrated 1 lakh year calendar and broke the Guinness record. Max workshops for school and college levels. Innovative products for students. All authored by Dr. J. N. Reddy. Innovative products for parents. Innovative products for teachers. Coverage by print, radio and TV media.